Hello everyone, welcome to Hidevs Community Streamlit series. So today's topic is Insurance Prediction App. In this application, we are going to predict whether a particular person will take insurance or not. Let's do it. So these are the inputs. Age, we will write age is 34, and employment type, we will write private sector. For instance, private sector. Sorry. Now, sex male, graduate. Yes, we are graduated. Annual income 5 lakh, 5 LPA, family members like 4. Frequent flyers, no, I am not a frequent flyer. Ever traveled abroad, no. And let's predict insurance. See, the travel insurance is not taken by the person. So with these particular inputs, we get the travel insurance is not taken by the person. So feel free to test your inputs and check whether you have taken insurance or not. To check the code behind this, go to file section, app.py. Here you will get all the codes, how the model is testing, how the model is training, and how the model is predicting. All of the things you will get here. Please go through the link given in the description and test your test cases.
So, who is Hidevs? Before explaining about Hidevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today. That we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to Hidevs, who is Hidevs? So Hidevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, Hidevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.